guys, DDK Infotech here. Today we'll be going over how to delay an email in the new Outlook for Mac. Sometimes we send emails to the wrong person or notice a mistake right after hitting send. Outlook does have a recall feature, but it is not as reliable, especially if the email goes outside your organization or even internally if the recipient already opened it. A better solution is to delay your emails by a few seconds. That way you have a short buffer to view or stop it before it goes out. Here's how to set it up. First, open the new Outlook on your Mac. Click Outlook on the top left corner, then Settings. The Outlook settings box should pop up on your screen. Under Email, click Composing. Where it says Undo Send, you can adjust how long Outlook waits before sending your emails. You can set the delay anywhere from 5 to 120 seconds. Once you set your preferred time, close Settings. Now when you hit Send, Outlook will hold your email for that delayed period and you'll see the option to undo. And that's it, a simple, more reliable safety net than email recall. Thanks for watching!